Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us find x in this problem. 4 raised to power x is equal to 24. This is an exponential equation and here's how to solve it. I have 4 raised to power x is equal to 24. There are a few ways to proceed from here. You can straight up take the logarithm of both sides, or you can decide to first break down 24 or divide through by 4 like I will do. If you divide through by 4, this will give you 6 on the right hand side, and you are left with 4 raised to power x divided by 4 raised to power 1 on the left hand side like this, then equals to 6, so that this equation becomes, by law of indices, 4 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 6. And now you can take the logarithm of both sides. Or you can also still break down 6 to 2 times 3, which means that you can still divide through by 2 on both sides. So if I have 4 raised to power x minus 1 equal to 6, and I divide through by 2, this gives me 3 on the right hand side. But on the left hand side, I can express 4 raised to power x minus 1 as 2 raised to power 2 raised to power x minus 1, which will give me 2 raised to power 2x minus 2. Now, because that is being divided by 2, it will mean that this is times 2 raised to power minus 1. So times 2 raised to power minus 1. And by law of indices, we can bring these two together to give us 2 raised to power 2x minus 2 minus 1, which gives us 2 raised to power 2x minus 3. Now we equate this to the 3 we got here. This means 2 raised to power 2x minus 3 is equal to 3. And now we can take the logarithm of both sides. This will give us log. Let's take it to base 2. So we have 2x minus 3 is equal to log 3 to base 2. Then we apply the law of logarithm that says we can straight up transfer this power to the back to have 2x minus 3 times log 2 base 2 is equal to log 3 base 2. And also by law of indices, log 2 base 2 is 1. And we then have 2x minus 3 times 1 is equal to log 3 base 2. If we open up the bracket on the left hand side, this is simply 2x minus 3 is equal to log 3 base 2. And to solve this linear equation, we simply add 3 to both sides. And when you do that, this takes care of this, and you are left with 2x here is equal to, I'll write this as 3 plus log 3 base 2. Now let us divide through by 2. This will mean times 1 over 2. Then this takes care of this. Therefore, x is equal to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 3 base 2. This is our final answer for this problem. And one way we can check if we are correct is to simply put this value into the problem that we started with, which was 4 raised to power x is equal to 24. I'll quickly do that. Then it means I have 4 raised to power 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 3 base 2. This should give us 24. Let us separate these powers into 4 raised to power 3 over 2 times 4 raised to power 1 over 2 log 3 base 2. This should give us 24. And then the first part here can be expressed as the square root of 4 raised to power 3. Then times, we do the same thing for here. We have the square root of 4 but raised to power log 3 base 2. This should still give us 24. Here we have 2 raised to power 3, then times 2 raised to power log 3 base 2 is equal to 24. 2 raised to power 3 is 8 times the fact that the base of this expression here is the same as the base of this logarithm in this power, then the solution to this expression is simply 3. So it means that 2 raised to power log 3 base 2 is simply 3. Then this should still give us 24. And of course 3 times 8 or 8 times 3 is simply 24, which is exactly equal to 24. Meaning that the solution is actually correct. And our value for x is perfectly correct. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button and remember to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. I will see you in my next video.